Alright, so first and foremost, thank you guys so much for clicking on my video, and now it's time for something I've been waiting for, my 23andMe results. Let's log in. I have my tablet right here.
Here we go. Logging in. I already have my password there.
Wow. Alright, it's a lot of information to take in, so I'll just put the breakdown here in an image. Okay, so I'm Dominican. Both of my parents were born and raised in Dominican Republic, but I was born here in New York City. And if you know a little bit of history, you won't be surprised at some of the results. Neither am I, of course. Okay, so it says European 44.2%. And then it says a little breakdown of that. Southern European 37.4%. I'm not surprised at that Spanish and Portuguese 29.6%, just because I had read about it, that a lot of Dominicans had Portuguese in them. You see more of the breakdown there. Apparently I'm 0.2% Jewish if you look at that bottom part. I am 38.5% sub-Saharan African. Some of the breakdown: West African 29.3%, Nigerian 6.0%, and it gets really deep into it, actually. Like, it's different parts of Africa. Like, it lit up. My whole map lit up. I'll put an image of that too. I guess like a lot of Spanish people are just all over the place, especially Dominicans.
So yeah, let me see. What else? I'll just take screenshots of all of this so you guys can really see.
Western Asian and North African 4.2%, West Asian and Native American 6.4%. Wait, I'm Native American 5.5. I need to click on this. Wait, so what? The first Americans over the past few decades.
So wait, can I say I'm like American American? Because if I have 5.5% Native American, then I have the right to say I'm American American.
And a little bit of everything was. I am all over the world. I am everything. I am pretty much everyone's cousin, which might not work out, but anyways, yeah. This is wow. And then of course it has Dominican Republic there. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at, and it's very detailed too. It puts a map, and what's weird is that I know that my family is mainly from La Vega, but according to this, it's saying we're mainly from Santiago, which apparently means my parents have some explaining to do. Yeah. I'm also obviously going to place an image of that so you guys can check that out as well. And anything I don't mention, I'll also be showing images. If anything, I'll put a voiceover if there's something I find out and I want to share with you guys. Let's see what else I can share with you. I'm like, this is really dope. Like, I have to put a link down below and share a way for you guys to purchase this. Just click below if you're interested in finding out more about your background. This is really dope.
Let's keep it clicking. I'm excited apparently. Okay, so
Broadly East Asian and Native American 0.6%. I said the West Asian and North African already 4.2%. Yeah, like this is just, I'll just place an image. So let's just have a moment here where you guys get to really look at everything. Here you go. Alright, so I thought I would also show you guys my results this way. Wanted to be a little bit more organized. Here we go. 44.2% European. And now the breakdown of that. Southern European 37.4%. Spanish and Portuguese 29.6%. Broadly Southern European 7.8%. Northwestern European 3.5%, British and Irish 1.7%, broadly Northwestern European 1.8%, Ashkenazi Jewish 0.2%, broadly European 3.1%, 38.5% Sub-Saharan African, West African 29.3%, Senegami and New Guinea 14.3%, Nigerian 6.0%, Ghanaian, Liberian, and Sierra Leonean 2.9%. Broadly West African, 6.1%. Congolese and Southern East Africa, 5.1%. Angolan and Congolese, 2.8%. Southern East Africa, 0.5%. Broadly Congolese and Southern East Africa, 1.8%. Northern East Africa, 0.1%. Broadly Northern East Africa, 0.1%. Broadly Sub-Saharan African, 4.0%. 6.4% East Asian and Native American. Native American, 5.5%. Broadly East Asian and Native American, 0.9%. 4.2% Western Asian and North African. North African, 1.9%. Arab, Egyptian, and Levantine, 0.1%. Broadly Arab, Egyptian, and Levantine, 0.1%. Broadly Western Asian and North African, 2.2%. After reading the trace ancestry section, it pretty much means that there was a very small percentage, but they still placed it in there, and mine was 0.1% broadly Central and South Asian. I have 6.6% unassigned, and this happens when your ancestors come from multiple continents and mixed up many generations ago. So for now, I won't know what that 6.6% is. Maybe in the future they'll figure it out, but for now they have no idea what that is. Here's some detail on my Dominican background. Both my parents are from La Vega, but I seem to have a stronger match in Santiago. I'm not completely surprised at that because Santiago isn't too far away from La Vega. Okay, so I'll go ahead now and show the other matches on this map. The lighter pinks are the weaker matches and the darker pinks are the stronger matches. Oh, right, that was interesting. I'm excited I did that. If you guys are interested in doing this as well, click on the link below and order your packet, your kit, and share your results with me, please. I'm always excited to see what other people get. Maybe we're cousins. We might be, according to my map. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, share the video. Bye-bye.